Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your noodles. Today, we've got one that came out of a Zenpop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Acecook with their Mariuma, kind of a more premium range. This is their Nagasaki Agodashi Udon cup. So let's make it show. So, yeah. Little block. Loose bits from the cup. A little bit of doodly-doo. That's what it's called, is doodly-doo. This one needs to be washed. Alright. And then we add the boiling boil. The line for three minutes. 3 minutes. There you go. And yeah, it's still Wednesday. Weird week. But yeah, Super Bowl's over. Thank God. Yeah, we watched the Super Bowl. And then they had, like, we just can't go and do anything in this country without, like, blowing each other up. I really don't get it, but I guess that's our way. But, yeah, they had the Super Bowl, then they had a party after, you know. And there was a big shooting, and that's crummy. And, I don't know. I don't know why. There's like better things to do with your time, I think. Yeah. But spring training, it's coming very shortly. I think the local team, the Mariners, they're got their spring training. I think they start this weekend. We're a baseball family, ladies and gentlemen. So once the spring training happens, it's great. My wife is an ardent Giants fan. She got me involved in it when we got together. I used to be a Mariners fan. There was no point in that. And now I'm a Giants fan. So, yeah. But, yeah, looking forward to seeing, we're getting a player back. We're getting Pablo Sandoval. And, that's cool. He was part of that, what do you call it? Those 3 seasons that we won. 2010, 2012, and 2014 won the World Series. It was like, oh, we'll just take the even years. Somebody else can win on the odd years. But it's been about 10 years, and we're not really doing all that great as a team. Now we've got Bob Melvin as our coach. That's kind of weird. I liked Bochy a lot better, but then we had, I can't remember what his name is, but they kicked out they like dumped our last guy. I thought he was all right. I don't know. He left people in. I just don't get it. I don't know if it's a contractual requirement of their contracts and stuff, but sometimes they'll leave people in that it's just like pretty evident to everybody. Dude, get that guy out, get a different pitcher in. That's the big problem we've had, is we've got, we don't get run support, and then we get, not the best pitching. But we'll see how it goes. My prediction for the 2024 season is that within 5 minutes of the season starting, Ohtani, the golden child now of the Dodgers, who spent $700 million on this guy, he'll get an injury. They were showing a thing last night with Mookie Betts. He's another Dodger player. And his passion for bowling. It's like, dude, really? I'm surprised they let him do that. I mean, you can jack up your arm when you roll, so I mean, come on. What's that all about? Mm-hmm. I think it could have hydrated a little better. Not really going to hold that so bad against it at this point. Here's our broth. I'm used to like Nagasaki jambong or Nagasaki chanpon. I was expecting something a little milkier. It's not overly bonito. It's nice. It's nice. I find this reasonable. Now we will put it in. There we are. Have a little extra. Yeah, let's try that aspect. There's some of the bits. I'm guessing these are seafood bits. No, it's more of like, I think those are a little bit of tempura. It's not bad. I'll give that a qualified. A little comb over. So you might be wondering, dude, on previous episodes you had hair. You don't have hair anymore. It's been a while. It seems like a new change, but you know, it's been quite a while that I've been forcibly removing and ousting the hair from the top of my head. It's nice. I like it. It's comfortable. Let's try right about there. Yeah, forcible eviction of hair from skull. Okay. Like so. Look at that. And I don't know, it's comfy. Quick getting out of the shower. I don't know. But yeah. But yeah, I was going bald. I'm not one of those people who's going to be like, oh my god, I'm losing my hair. I have to have hair. I'm going to go spend $30,000 on hair. It's like, dude, really? Hair's great, but, you know, I used to have a lot of hair. My nickname used to be Hairball. Did you know that? Now you do. Yeah, I used to be known far and wide as the Hairball. But no longer. Been a long time since anybody called me Hairball. But I've got a couple friends who still do from time to time. It's like, you remember my heyday. Sesame. And I think that's it for today on this one. Nice seafood flavor, not too harsh, not too violently salty. Saltiness is generally kind of like a part of the beast when it comes to instant noodles, but these, you know, sometimes there's saltier than I like, and sometimes there's just right. So this is kind of in the just right range. I'm surprised. I like this one. So yeah. All right, so the next one we got, I'm pretty excited about. This is a cold noodle. I know it's getting close to July when this will be released. Cold noodles are great for summer months, and this is Nongshim Jolmyeon. I believe it's named after a region or a city in South Korea. Jolmyeon is like bibimbap. The only difference is that the noodle in Jolmyeon is a little more dense and chewy. Has to do with how they make it, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one.
Bye.